Have you ever wondered why Americans say, bless you, after someone sneezes?
Bless you.
It's such a common phrase, but its roots go way back in time.
The phrase, bless you, started in ancient times when sneezing was thought to release evil spirits or even signal the plague. People said, God bless you, to offer protection.
By the 1800s, the custom had crossed into American culture. Saying bless you became a sign of politeness, a way to show care and good manners.
Today, it's simply a kind gesture, a small word that reminds us of good manners and human connection. So, next time someone sneezes, you know the story behind that bless you.